JJ Medina here. Most of the people, besides to call me the most interesting man in the jeans world, they ask me, what is interesting for you? Why denim is so interesting for you? The answer is very easy. Denim is a very special animal. It's something so different that it does reflect the personality of every single person that they are wearing it. Yes, it defines you. Denim jeans defines you, defines your personality, defines your aspirations. And let me put it this way. You see a man getting down from a Rolls Royce wearing Wrangler jeans, dark, with marks made him by himself with the years. You know already how he made his fortunes. He paid $13 for the Wranglers at Walmart. But at the same time, you see a beautiful, nice young lady that is working in a front of any store for a minimum wage. But she is wearing Adriano Goldsmith, or she is wearing a 7 for all the mankind, a $400 to $700 jeans. What she reflects, she has aspirations. And then you look around and you see a beautiful, classic lady, beautiful, nice, and classy, wearing a Target jeans. She knows her beauty, she knows she's classy, she knows that she doesn't have to spend a fortune in the jean. She spent $38 for a jean, and it made her look fantastic. So everything is in the denim. Everything is in the jeans. Check your closet, and you define and check your personality. JJ Medina, the most interesting man in the jeans world.